What are you doing, Scotty?
We are. You can see which one of them was leaking. So we put a new one. Apparently the soft plug was bad. So we are going to attempt to see what's going on and make sure that this is good.
No fun again.
It's all fun and games until somebody starts spewing fluids.
I had an ex-girlfriend like that. Well, many of them, actually.
I got a couple of exes like that. Okay.
So far, so good.
Okay, so we're gonna go get another gallon, which is gonna be our last gallon here at the shop, so we'll have to do some shopping again.
Yeah, we've done a lot of cooling systems lately.
That's how we've been doing it.
Yeah.
It's like, what the?
Ranchero.
Yeah. This one, and we have...
We did another one. Oh, the 65 T-Bird?
I think we have 4 or 5 more cooling systems to do.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, without a doubt. So.
Oh, yeah.
But, okay. We'll keep you guys apprised. So far, we're good. And it's almost up to the top. I'm hoping. God, I'm so hoping.
Yeah. So we're talking to the boss, like, hey, I would like to see this white Mustang up and running.
Right?
And unfortunately, not mine. But that's besides the point. So, all right, guys. Well, Scotty, what do you say to this?
Let's top this off, and fingers crossed, guys, that it was just the soft plug.
Yep.
So, but on that note, bye.